In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Mailchimp in 2025. Whether you're looking to back up your data or perhaps move it to another platform, exporting your contact list efficiently is key. So let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you want to begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't already, open up your browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Input your credentials and get yourself signed in. Once you're logged in, we'll be ready to move on to the next step, which is finding the Audience tab. After signing in, take a look at the top of the screen where you'll find the Audience tab. Give it a click. This tab is crucial because it holds all the data related to the contacts you've gathered over time. Now, when you click on the Audience tab, you'll want to find the option that says All Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have more than one audience in your account, it's essential to ensure you're working with the correct list. So you'll see an audience drop down menu at the top. Click that drop down and you'll want to select the audience you're interested in exporting. This will ensure that you're pulling the data you actually want. Next, to open the contact profile of interest, click on the email address of the contact. This step might seem a bit specific, but it helps in navigating to the precise contact details you might need. It's a good practice if you want to check or verify the contact details before proceeding with the export. Once the contact profile is open, look for the three vertical dots on the page. They usually signal more options. Click on these dots and choose the option that says Export. When you click Export, Mailchimp starts preparing your data, and this can take a little time. Don't worry, once the export is ready, Mailchimp will send you an email with a link to the download page, so keep an eye on your inbox. And here's a handy tip: you don't have to wait for the email to grab your download. You can also download the export directly from your Mailchimp account. So feel free to check back into your Mailchimp account where you can find and download the file as soon as it is ready. And there you have it, the process of exporting contacts from Mailchimp in 2025, laid out step by step. Remember, once you've downloaded your contacts, make sure you securely store them or upload them wherever you need. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more efficient tips and tricks.